everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 250 of trying a new makeup product every day. I cannot believe it's been that many days, that many makeup products. That's so crazy to me, but so much fun. I love doing these videos, and today I'm going to be trying the Buxom Eyeshadow bar, and this is actually a sample that I got in my Ulta sample bag, and I do have a video of me unbagging that, so if you want to see it, I'll link it down below. So it's this really cute little eyeshadow single, and I have it in the shade Gold Status, but it comes in 40 different colors. And what you do with these is mix and match them to make your custom eyeshadow palettes. They retail for $12 per individual color, or you can buy some pre-made palettes that are $40, or just the empty palette that you put them in is $13. And it's primer infused. So I'm really excited to try this out. And especially this Gold Status shade looks so beautiful. I can't wait to see how this looks. I'm gonna start out by swatching this. Oh my gosh. This is so pigmented, so shiny, metallic, and gorgeous. And it's like a, kind of looks like a mix between a bronze and a gold. So it's got that kind of brown, warm tint to it. Oh my gosh, that is so opaque too. Let's go ahead and see how this looks on my eye. And I'm just going to apply this with my finger because that'll give me the best pigment payoff. And the fact that it's primer infused is really interesting to me. I don't have anything on my eyelids right now because I want to see if that primer infused aspect is actually true. Oh my gosh, just that first swipe looks like I have like pure gold on my eyelid. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is absolutely the most beautiful gold shade I've ever used. Wow, and since this is so pigmented, even this tiny little bit here is going to be able to last me a while because I only needed that one little swipe to fully coat my entire eyelid in a opaque, super pigmented, super bright gold color. And I actually really love how this looks alone, even though typically I would incorporate some other colors. But still alone, this is so beautiful. It's just so shiny, it looks so metallic, and I can tell that this is a really high quality eyeshadow, and that primer infused quality of this definitely seems great because it's so pigmented. It does seem like I have a primer on my eyelids already that would really enhance that pigment, but there is no need to apply another primer before this. And what I was really interested to see is if this is going to crease or not, because I have a lot of creases in my eyelids. I have like a lot of lines and wrinkles, and product always gathers in the creases of my eyelids, but this one, it's not creasing at all. It looks perfect. Wow, as I'm sure you can tell, I am blown away by this product right now. I'm so glad that they make this in 40 different shades because I want to get so many different colors in this formula because it is so good. Where I feel like I am the queen of cheap makeup, but I actually feel like $12 is a good price for one of these colors because of how great it is. And you save money by not needing to get a primer, or also save time by not needing to apply a primer. So I would absolutely spend the $12 and get this in a bunch of other colors, create beautiful palettes, because this is one of the best eyeshadows I've ever used, and definitely the best gold eyeshadow that I've ever used. So if you are looking for a gold eyeshadow, this is what you should get. The Buxom Gold Status is my perfect gold. It's exactly what I need for my collection. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these Buxom eyeshadows if you have any recommendations for other colors, or if you have any colors that you want to see me try out from this collection, because I would love to give some more a try. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.